Here you'll see it's all still on the trailer. The big box at the front has the pump in it that was put in that box in 2013 and never removed. The control panel, thank goodness, was set inside a building, and it was covered from the snow, so you can see the control panel in the big box. It's still looks like pretty much like when it was originally packaged in 2012, 2013 and shipped to Canada. This big pipe right here, this is the steam discharge pipe that hooks up to the back end of the steam generator and has the relief valve right there. There's the generator pressure control valve and a bypass valve for startup, which you can see it's the FAR valve that's blue handle that's open. The yellow piping on the other side is the gas train fuel control system for the generator. These parts were in two separate crates. The yellow piping was in a crate by itself, and then this big part was in a big piping was in a crate. But by taking them apart, I was able to nest it all in the trailer, pull her back 1,600 miles. So we're going to unload it today. Won't unpack it. I'm going to set it outside and wait for somebody to buy this new machine. The generator is going to be here Monday, and we will unload it with the crane and our 60,000 pound lift forklift.